Ever wonder what you'd look like with a different face? In this video, you'll find incredible free AI tools that let you swap faces in photos and videos with just a few clicks. I'll show you how to put your face on celebrities, historical figures, or even your friends. Get ready for some hilarious transformations and mind-blowing tech. Welcome to TechWhoop, where I bring to you the latest and coolest tech tools. Today, first up is an exciting free face swap AI tool called Pica AI. Well, Pica AI lets you swap your face with a variety of templates, and it's super easy to use. First, head over to Pica AI's website by searching for Pica AI on Google. Once you're on the site, you'll see the face swap feature. Now, you'll need a picture of yourself. Next, click on Add Face and select your image. On the right, you'll see a bunch of templates. Choose one that you like and then hit Generate. It's free, but you might have to wait a bit in the queue since many people are using this tool. After a short wait, your new face-swapped image will be ready. You can download it and even try out different templates to see which one suits you best. It's that simple. Next up is another cool tool called FaceSwapper AI. This tool lets you swap faces and images with just a few clicks, and the best part, it's completely free and you don't even need to create an account. To get started, open your browser and search for FaceSwapper AI. Click on the first link to access the tool. Once you're there, click on Upload Reference Image to upload the image whose face you want to swap. Now it's time to upload the target image, but before I do that, let's see how our reference image looks as Wonder Woman. Click on Face Swap and you'll see the result in a short time. You can see a before and after version, and the result is really amazing. Now let's try it with our own targeted image. Click on Upload Target Image, and after uploading, click on the Confirm button. Click on Face Swap again, and here's our result. Next up I have Akool FaceSwap. Akool not only swaps faces in videos or images, but also creates realistic AI avatars, generates text to images, and changes the background of images or videos. Today, I'll focus on their DeepFake tools. To get started, head over to the Tool tab and select Face Swap. You'll need to create an account to use this tool, but don't worry, it's straightforward. Click on the Login button and create an account using your Google or email account. Once you've signed up, you'll get 50 free credits every day, and if you need more, you can always purchase additional credits. Now, let's create a deepfake video. First, upload the target video by dragging and dropping the video clips or clicking the upload button. It will take some time to analyze the video clips, but once they are completed, you can preview them. On the right side, you'll notice the tool has detected faces at 4 different angles. This might vary depending on your video's motion. Next, upload the source image. You can use a sample image or your own. After uploading, drag and drop the image into every face detection block. Once that's done, scroll down and hit the High Quality Face Swap button. You can click on the My Library button to see the outcome. It might take some time, so be patient. And there you have it. If you're satisfied, you can see the result and download the swapped video. If you want to improve the quality further, go back to the Face Swap page, insert the source image into the face detection boxes again, and this time, check the Face Enhancement box before hitting the High Quality Face Swap button. Moving on to our next Face Swap AI tool, I'm having Vidnoz AI Face Swapper. To get started, head over to vidnoz.com, and from the menus, choose AI Free Tools. Here, you'll find the Face Swapper. You can click this option directly or find it within your dashboard if logged in. Under Tools, you'll find AI Face Swapper. Click Try for free, and it'll take you to the page where you can start swapping faces. Vidnoz offers both photo and video face swapping. The video face swapping will be covered in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. For now, let's focus on photo face swapping. It's pretty straightforward. You need to upload 2 different photos. The first photo is the one you want to swap the face for, and the second photo is the one you'll take the face from to put on the first photo. And there you have it. That's how you use Vidnoz AI Face Swapper to swap faces and photos. Next is iSmartta. This tool doesn't require any kind of registration. On the homepage, you will find 3 different sections: free photo face swap, free video face swap, and free multiple face swap. In this video, I will explain the first section only, and we will continue with the other 2 in another video. Upload your original image and then upload your target image. Then, click Swap Face Now and give it some time to finish. And there you have it, an awesome, very realistic face swap. You can save it by downloading it. Moving on Artguru FaceSwap. This tool is for you if you've ever wanted to swap faces in seconds. Let's see how it works. First, open your browser and search for Artguru.ai. Once you're on the homepage, click on Face Swap. This area allows you to swap faces of single photos, but what if you want to swap multiple faces? No problem, just click on Multiple Face. You can choose from template images here, but if you want to use your own photos, click on the Upload icon. Select your base image and the tool will generate and recognize the faces. Now, click on the plus icon to replace your image with the one you want to swap faces with. After that, click on Swap Now. Wait for a while, and your new face-swapped image will be ready. Click on Download to save it to your device. And that's it. You successfully swapped faces using Artguru FaceSwap. Next up on our list is Remaker AI. This tool allows you to swap faces and has some unique features that set it apart from the rest. Open your browser and search for Remaker AI. Click on FaceSwap Online Free from the search results, which will take you to the FaceSwap page. To start swapping faces, first, upload the reference image by clicking the Upload button. Then, upload the targeted image in the same way. Once both images are uploaded, click on the Swap button. You'll need to create an account at this point using your email or Google account to sign up. After creating your account, click on the Swap button again to see your result. The quality is really amazing. What do you think? But that's not all. Remaker AI also allows you to do multiple face swaps. To try this, click Multiple Face Swap and upload an image with multiple faces. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see the faces detected. Now, upload the reference faces for each detected face. After uploading, click on the Swap button again and voila! You'll see your result with multiple faces swapped. The quality remains just as amazing. Next is the Replicate FaceSwap. Replicate offers a vast library for every use case. To get started, visit the Replicate homepage and click on the Explore button. In the search bar, type FaceSwap and you'll find many tools. For this tutorial, I'll select the Omni GeoSwap tool. If you're visiting Replicate for the first time, you must sign up with your GitHub account. Creating a new account is straightforward. Just enter your email and password. I already have an account, so I'll just log in. After logging in, I'll first upload the targeted image. To do this, remove any existing image by clicking on the Close button. Then click the Upload button and upload your targeted image. After that, scroll down, remove the source image and upload the source image face. After uploading both the targeted and source images, click on the Run button. The process will take a little time to complete, but the wait is worth it. And here is our result. It's really amazing. You can change the images to create more face swaps, and this tool provides fantastic results every time. That's all for free FaceSwap AI tools. Comment below your favorite tool from this video. If you enjoyed these tech transformations and want more cool tutorials, hit the like button and subscribe to TechWhoop. Don't miss out on the latest tech trends and tools. Stay tuned for more.